Kulbaan ko gamay, pero we're just gonna have fun and, I hope I can finish the course.
As we enjoy the course tomorrow, don't forget your why. Why you did this. This is for yourself. So enjoy and be a triathlete tomorrow.
Thank you again, TWM, to the organizers, to all the sponsors. Hindi na ko ma-mention pa lang. Race hard, race safe, and see you in the finish line. Salamat, ay sigabigan na lang.
And we're here again for TWM, but this time in the beautiful municipality of Tabogon. Happening right now is the carbo loading program for all of the athletes, and I would like to thank the municipality of Tabogon for welcoming all of close to 500 athletes that are competing for TWM Tabogon. See you at the start and the finish line.
Amindot. Apel din mga babae clubs ba? Dito sayang, wala na grabe ha. Narinig paglayat nila ba? Oh? Dito makapiright sana eh. Sige, naka-play naman dira.
Once again, the time check is now 6:20. Our swimmers, our triathletes, for the 1,500 meter swim, the first of 3 disciplines. Actually, the lead swimmer is about to do the second turnaround point or turning point on the swim course. Expected they will be here in a few minutes. Get ready for the lead swimmer of the TWM Tabogon. Here we go.
I'm changing the game. It's time to release the pace. I'm taking it off with a chain. I'm showing my feet. Feeling the rush of the blood in my veins. Ready to run it down, wear it out.
I think I like the bike course kay bisan is pinaganahan ang appeal sa ako ganahan ko okay good. Tinatawag yun.
Do you have what it takes? Do you have what it takes? 'Cause I'm coming out of my cage. Are you ready to rage? I'm bringing the heat, I'm bringing the heat, I'm changing the game, It's time to release the beat, I'm taking it off of the chain. I'm showing my feet, I'm feeling the rush of the blood.
The highlight of the race, maybe for me, is the bike route because I really like lines, but I don't like downhill. So it was the best of both worlds.